Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see how to set reminder on your Google Keep on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So, how to set a reminder for your particular notes in your Google Keep by using the PC. So for that, first of all, just going to select a particular note here. So I just going to select this particular note. So to make out to create a reminder, you have to click on this option, Reminder Me. Click on this. Now here you have this saved as Google Reminder. You have a time latest today or tomorrow or next week. You can just pick it, and also you can just pick places if you just need it. It's just going to pick date and time. Click on this, and here you can just select the date you just need it. Just going to click on 15. And the time will be, you can just easily choose it, or you can just go to the custom option to choose the particular time. And does it just need to repeat daily, weekly, monthly? You can just set it and also click on the save option. Now you have a pop-up here. It's showing that it have a reminder. This is how you just set a reminder on your notes on your Google Keep PC. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Unique. Have a wonderful day.